Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Terraria multiplayer via IP. First, ensure everyone has the exact same Terraria game version. This is crucial for compatibility. Next, confirm your firewall settings permit Terraria and its server application to communicate freely. Finally, the host needs to identify their public IP address, which is how other players will locate and connect to their game. These initial steps lay the groundwork for a smooth multiplayer experience. To host a game, launch Terraria and navigate to multiplayer, then select Host and Play. You will then choose your character and the world you wish to play in. It's a good idea to set a server password for privacy. Pay close attention to the port number displayed, which is typically 7777. This port is essential for others to connect, so remember it or write it down for your friends. For players joining a game, start by selecting Multiplayer from the main menu, then choose Join via IP. You will then be prompted to enter the host's public IP address. Make sure to also input the correct server port number, which is usually 7777. If the host set a password, you will need to provide that as well to gain access to the game. Double-check all details for a successful connection. If you encounter connection issues, start by verifying that the host has correctly configured port forwarding on their router for port 7777. A common mistake is a typo in the IP address or port number, so double-check those carefully. As a temporary diagnostic step, you might try disabling firewalls on both the host and client machines. Remember to re-enable them afterward for security. These steps often resolve most common problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.